Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to completely delete applications from your Mac and not just dragging them to the trash like most Mac users do, but actually removing all the leftover files like application support files, caches, and log files. So whether you're clearing up your system or just want more space, this is quick and easy. Let's jump in. Here's what most Mac users usually do when they want to uninstall an application. They open the Finder, go to the application folder, locate the app they want to remove, and let's use WhatsApp as an example, and simply drag it to the trash. That does delete the main application, but it doesn't remove everything. And in most cases, it leaves behind a lot of hidden files, which can take up unnecessary space on your Mac. And to show you what I mean, if we search for WhatsApp right now, even after deleting it, you'll still see a bunch of leftover files tied to the application we just removed. Now, let me show you how to properly uninstall an application, including all its hidden files, and let's use Dropbox as an example. Open Finder and click the search bar in the top right corner and type Dropbox, just like so. Make sure you're searching this Mac and not just the application folder. Click the small plus button just under the search bar. This will open up the first filter with menus. In the first drop-down menu, select Name, set it to Matches, and type Dropbox. Click the plus sign again to open a second filter. This time, you want to include the system files. If you're doing this for the first time, you might not have the system files in the menu. So to have it appear in the drop-down, simply click on Order and start typing system files. When it appears, check the box that says In Menu so it's safe for next time. Click OK and you should be able to see the system files in the drop-down, which is what you want to select. Then change the option to Are Included. Select all the matching files with your mouse just like this, or you can use the shortcut Command+A. Then drag everything to the trash. Open your trash to double check that all the files are matching the application we just deleted, in this case Dropbox. And if everything looks good, empty the trash. Now, to confirm that you have properly uninstalled the application, go back to Finder and try searching for the application again, in this case Dropbox. If done right, there should be no related files left, as you can see. And that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.